Good morning and welcome to this video tutorial of MCX SureGain. My name is Parveen Rana and today in this video we are going to discuss about an expert advisor. The expert advisor is for forex trading and the Euro USD pair. This is the expert advisor which can double your capital within 4 or 5 months. I will show you the results in this video, and I will run it in the strategy tester with the current spread, and I will show you that how much profitable it is. And the EA is purely for scalping, and this right now I'm gonna run it in the 15-minute chart of Euro USD. And let's before starting it, I just want to tell you that it is very profitable expert advisor. Most of the expert advisor in the market are giving losses, but this is not such kind of expert advisor which will give you loss. It will surely give you profit if you use it for more than 4 or 5 months. Your capital will be doubled. So let's start it. Before starting, I would like to show that this is the period which we are using, 1st January 2018 to 14th of April 2018. I'm gonna run it in the visual mode so that you can easily see how it is taking the trades and all. So let's start it. Let me show you one more thing in that. It is taking 200 pips gap, and I am taking it 0.02 lot. It is very small lot, and the testing capital is 1000 USD. Okay, so I'm gonna start it right now. Let's start it. I have started it and now it is running, and yeah, it start taking the trades. It is the first trade it has taken. I'm gonna make it some fast so that you can easily check it. Yeah, I have made it fast and it is starting trading for you, and now you can see the results. It is till 12th, 15th January, 16th January, 17, 18, 19, 22, 23 and 25. I have stopped it on 30th January. So let's see in 1 month what it has given to you is it is 1451.77 pips. Total 450 pips profit is going on. Now let's start it further for the February month as well. So now it is taking trades for the February month. February is going on right now, and it is keep on booking profits for the trades and keep on making new positions for the trading purpose. Right now it is 15 February, 16 February, 23rd, 26th, 27 February. I have stopped it on 28th February, and now let's see what is the result. Yeah, it is 1852 pips. So in 2 months almost capital is going to be double. Now let's start further for next month, March month. This is the March month in which it is moving towards upward, and this is the 6th month, March 7th, 8th. So here this is the 30th of March, and let's see what is the result. Yeah, it is $2182, and now we're gonna start it for the April month. Yeah, it's starting trading for the April month. 5, 6, 8, 9 April. Actually some of the positions are like not here. You can see in the 13th month it has stopped, and due to because we have stopped it on 13th April, so it is having some kind of open positions, so it has already like closed the positions, and it will gonna show you the current profit till today, like removing the loss and everything. So you can see the result. In that result you can see that initial deposit was 1000 and the net profit is 1016. Almost it is you can say that it is double, 100% profit within 4 months: January, February, March and April. 13 April, that means 3.5 months, and in the 3.5 months you have doubled the capital. And you can see the accuracy level is 96.88%, and total loss of trade is only 11. Total profit trades are 341. So guys, this is the expert advisor which you can use. If you want to have a demo of it, you can have the demo for 7 days by emailing us on seekcare@mcxsuregain.com, or if you want to buy it you can visit our website www.mcxsuregain.com. It is very you can purchase it at very nominal cost of $200 for 1 year, and you can use it in your personal account. This is the best expert advisor. You can check. If you want to check it, you can get it for 1 week, and by getting demo you can call us on 9555455557. You can WhatsApp also. If you have any query or confusion, you can WhatsApp or you can call me on my number. This is the number. And if you want to get more information about it, you can visit our website www.mcxsuregain.com. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. We will come up with the next videos, some interesting topics or about the stock and commodity markets or forex market. Till then, bye bye, take care.